Yeah. Left. I mean right. I forgot I'm facing you. Go ahead, go. Right. Don't put your feet down. Don't ever put your feet on the ground. Go ahead, go. All right, you're gonna go ahead and go down the hill. Go right a little bit. Now straight it out, slow down. You're fine. Right. Keep going. You don't even have to hit the gas, it'll just go down the hill, but hold the brake down a little bit, slow down. Go in a circle to the right. Go in a circle to the right. Now go straight up the hill.